Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to remove watermark from your phone Moto G34. That is how to remove watermark from camera photos in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to camera and take a picture and open the picture that you took. And if there is any watermark and if you would like to remove the watermark, yes, you can do it. See here, this is watermark. Okay, in the bottom left side watermark is printed, and in the bottom right side date and time watermark timestamp is also printed. If you want to remove this for future photos, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the camera and go to the settings of camera here, then go to watermark and turn off timestamp and also device watermark. Now there will be no watermark hereafter if you take a photo. Now I show a demo. Open camera and I take this picture and I open the picture that I took, and see in the picture there is no watermark either in left side or right side. So in this way you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.